I'm a qualified baby massage and baby yoga instructor, and in this section I'm going to talk you through the back massage routine for your baby. So when we're massaging on baby's back, we want to bring them onto their front if they're happy to. So this is allowing them a little bit of extra tummy time. So they can lay flat on the floor if you are happy for your little one to lay like this. You could also pop a little towel rolled up under their chest just to help support them and bring them up a little bit more. If you felt your little one needed a little bit more reassurance, you can bring them up onto your legs. This helps that exchange of smells between you and baby, so it makes them feel a little bit safer and more reassured again. And of course, if your little one is really struggling being on their tummy in that moment, we can bring them up over the shoulder here and do the strokes with one hand down the back and down the legs. So once you've decided which position is best for your baby, we're going to start with resting hands on baby's back, just getting baby used to that touch there on the back for them. It's really important to remember with back massage that baby has now lost eye contact with you if they are on their tummy. So lots of talking to baby throughout the massage routine will really help to reassure them and keep them feeling nice and calm. So we're going to start by paddling the hands down the back, from the top near the shoulders, just down to their bottom. These strokes coming down the back can really encourage baby to start to lift their chest and their head off the floor, and really helping to build that core strength for them. We're then going to bring that into a cupping stroke. So we're going to cup baby's bottom with one hand, and your other hand is going to start at the top of the back and come all the way down from the top of the back to the bottom. By doing this, we're bringing baby's awareness to their back starting at the top here and ending where our hand is cupping at the bottom and the stroke finishes. We're then going to extend that stroke further down to baby's feet with one hand and your other hand at the top of the back, bringing that stroke down the back and down the legs. Again, here we're helping to build baby's awareness of their body, starting at the top of the back and ending all the way down at the end of their feet. So we'll take that last stroke all the way down the back and down the legs, and then we're going to move on to our circle strokes. So taking 2 fingers on each hand, we're going to go either side of baby's spine. We don't want to put any extra pressure on the spine here, so all of our strokes on the back are nice and light pressure. And we're going to take the circles either side of the spine, coming all the way down, nice and slowly, just taking your time, coming right the way just to the top of the bottom, and then we can take those all the way back down the back again. So we're really helping here to nourish those muscles all the way down the back that are all attached to the spine. And then we'll move on to our combing stroke. So our combing stroke, you're going to use your hand as a combing effect. We're going to span out the fingers, start with the hand at the top of the back, just making sure the spine is coming in between the fingers, and then we're bringing that stroke all the way down the back and all the way down baby's leg. And again, coming up to the back and coming all the way down and down the leg. And again, we can repeat these strokes around 6 times. It's absolutely fine. And taking that last stroke all the way down the back. And then we're just going to go with some walking fingers. So we just walk our fingers all the way over the back. There's no particular direction to this. We just want to avoid the spine, and we're just helping to relax those muscles all the way down the back and the legs. And then we'll finish as we started with our resting hands on baby's back, and lots of praise and cuddles for babies after that back massage.